Good evening, everyone. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Ashtam. Today, I want to discuss about Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Today, on the eve of his 135th anniversary, we are celebrating here. Today, I'm extremely happy to be present here, and I'm extremely profound, joyous to talk about Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. He said, knowledge the symbol of education. He did lot of works in his life. I have no idea what to say about him. Guys, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he was a great leader. Not only he fought for equality, fraternity, and brotherhood. Whatever he did for India, nobody can do it. He had 32 degrees, he had lots of knowledge. He born in a small town, a small village, and he belongs a very nuclear family. His mother and his father both were uneducated. They thought that if our son go ahead, he will become whatever he wants to become. And since his childhood, Dr. Bhimram Ambedji thought that I have to do something different for my country. He visited 206 countries and saw their education and their constitution. And then he gathered, assembled with his colleagues, his besties, and these those five members they gathered and they thought about India's constitution. India's constitution, if you talk about that, that means it took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Then constitution come to in India, and now today we are whatever we are because of Bhimrao Ambedkar. That's why we are celebrating today Bhimrao Ambedkar's Jayanti. I want to say to you, he is like our second God, like God, Lord Buddha. Always he used to consider Lord Buddha because he thought about himself that if we have unity, fraternity, and equality, we will be able to live in society. Because somebody thinks about themselves that I am from this caste, I am from this caste. We should not think because India must be a developed country. That's why he thought that in coming up time, my name will run by all these things, but I am who person who not only worked hard but also thought about myself that I have to do something different for all Indians. Then he did whatever work he did, nobody can do it like him. Guys, often I say do something different like world wants do you like you. As Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar said that education is the powerful weapon. One who be educated, who will be who will be honest and who will be a good person. A short story about it. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. It said Nelson Mandela. And Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar said शिक्षा एक ऐसा हथियार है जिसे आप देश को डेवलप करने में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. शिक्षा एक ऐसा दूध है जो पिएगा वही दहाड़ेगा. इट्स कोल्ड डेट हु पर्सन ड्रिंक्स इट who will roll like a lion. So guys, think about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He has done lots of things for India, for Indians, not only for poor, but also for all Indians. He never discriminated apart from others. He always thought about our India's welfare. I want to say to you, be consistency, live in consistency. be confident like Bhimrao Ambedkar. He said, the India, the world runs by constitution. He gave us rights. He gave us lot of rights, education rights, social rights, living rights. 6 rights he gave us in our constitutions, and he not only sacrificed his life for us, but also he showed the people and Indians that Indians the best. Indians in coming of time will be a first country. The India will become a developed. His legacy, his tremendous atmosphere, his gigantic things taught us, inspired us that we must become like a Bhimrao Ambedkar. So guys, my first video about Bhimrao Ambedkar, I have no any words about him, but my second video I will talk tomorrow. My second video about Bhimrao Ambedkar Sarji. Also, I think I consider my ideal him because he did for all community, for all Indians. He never discriminated. He never thought that only the welfare for poor, for SC, for ST, for Dalit, for anything else, but he thought that we have to make a constitution who helps it, which helps to every Indians, every communities, every caste persons. So guys, do something different that world wants like you. I'm RJ Durgesh from Ultimate Class Hasta. That's all. Thank you very much. आप सभी को अम्बेडकर जयंती की ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ. जय हिंद, जय भारत.